In this session, we are going to flip this $175. ये $175 को हम अभी फ्लिप करने वाले हैं. You can see I'm taking buy positions at this price because this is an institutional price. Okay, this is a very very perfect and beautiful institutional price. And if you have been following all our videos, if you're seeing all the videos previously we have uploaded, you can actually see a pattern in our trading strategy. Whenever we actually start buying, the market actually goes into buy. Whenever we actually sell, the market will show a sell momentum. And I'm going to tell you why that's a very big thing. मैं आपको बताऊंगा क्यों वैसा होता है. मैं आपको वो डिटेल में बोल नहीं सकता हूँ, लेकिन आपको डिटेल में चाहिए तो आप ये वीडियो की डिस्क्रिप्शन में पढ़ सकते हो. हम कौन सी टूल्स यूज़ करते हैं, हम क्या करते हैं ऐसी ट्रेड्स को निकालने के लिए. बिकॉज एक चीज़ तो पक्की है, यू विल नेवर एवर हैव द सेम मार्केट कंडीशंस फॉर लाइफ टाइम. आप लास्ट 2 वीक में देखो, जो मार्केट ऑल टाइम हाई जा रहा है ना, उस टाइम पे वी डोंट हैव द मार्केट कंडीशन इज़ ऑलमोस्ट न्यू, नया है, नया मार्केट कंडीशन है. तो उस चीज़ के लिए पुराने स्ट्रैटेजीज काम नहीं करेंगे. न्यू मार्केट कंडीशंस, हाउ कैन ओल्ड स्ट्रैटेजीज कैन वर्क. So why I'm saying you this, because you always need an updated system. If you see, I have posted this trade already for the gold traders in our channel. Okay, and we had also taken another buy position, another buy trade. Okay, this was taken in New York session. Okay, and the buy is running. We have taken some huge lots this time, this trade. Okay, apart from that, I'm telling you, even though you use any indicator, any strategy or something, you always want an updated strategy. You can't actually use the same strategy for 10-20 years. Never. The old things won't work tomorrow. आज मार्केट जैसा रहेगा कल नहीं रहने वाला है. तो आज काम करने वाला स्ट्रैटेजी कल क्यों काम आएगा? नहीं आएगा. इट्स वेरी सिंपल थिंग दैट मोस्ट पीपल डोंट अंडरस्टैंड, and they waste their time by learning. How much you learn, you can't actually make money in this market. You actually need a system where you can get live market updates. Without that, it's impossible. It's like suiciding yourself in Forex. It is like a suicide. And if you want to copy these trades, you can copy my account. You can just automate, you can set up an automation where you can actually copy all the accounts from my account into your account for free. For the first month it's free. You can message me and you can see actually how actually we generate these kind of trades. You can see, you will see a pump here in this trade. You will see after I'm taking the buy position, you will see a pump. Simple. When I take the buy trade, you will definitely see a pump. That is the beauty. And I will close the trade for some profit after $1,000 profit. I've closed it. And this trade in new NY session, we have posted this trade also. You can see this trade. Only Forex is very simple, brother. You just need to choose the right option. It's just buy and sell. If you do the right thing for the several times, you just won. That's it.